Did you know your pivot could be used to clean and maintain tile and grout? That's right. One of the things we're most proud of at Square Scrub is the fact that you can use our equipment in multiple applications in your facility. When it comes to cleaning tile and grout, the orbital action of the pivot, along with our 3D blue tile and grout pad, digs deep into grout lines to gently remove all of the buildup in the grout line, all of the detergent and the soil that's coating the grout lines. This allows you to remove years of caked on, built up debris in your grout lines. So take a look at the pivot and a 3D blue tile and grout pad in your facility. And remember, when it comes to getting your facility clean, all it takes is a little elbow grease.